Book 91. The Amazing Power of Clay, Cleaning Fruits and Vegetables. Have you ever wondered how to remove pesticides and bacteria from the fruits and vegetables you eat? Scientists have been searching for a solution to this problem for a long time. Recently, they discovered that clay can be used to clean fruits and vegetables quickly and effectively. Clay is a natural substance that has been used for centuries in various applications. It's commonly found in soil and can be molded into different shapes when mixed with water. But what makes clay special is its ability to absorb and trap tiny particles, including pesticides and bacteria. When scientists applied clay to fruits and vegetables, they found that it removed up to 99% of pesticide residues and bacteria. This is because the clay particles attract and trap the unwanted substances, making it easy to rinse them away with water. One of the benefits of using clay to clean fruits and vegetables is that it's a simple and cost-effective method. It doesn't require any special equipment or chemicals, making it accessible to people all around the world. The scientists who discovered this technique tested it on various types of fruits and vegetables, including apples, bananas, and spinach. They found that the clay was effective in removing pesticide residues and bacteria from all of them. But how does the clay actually work? The scientists used a special type of clay called nanoclay, which has tiny particles that can trap even the smallest pesticide residues and bacteria. When the clay is applied to the fruits and vegetables, it forms a thin layer that absorbs and traps the unwanted substances. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize the way we clean our fruits and vegetables. Imagine being able to eat fresh, healthy produce without worrying about pesticide residues and bacteria. It's a game changer for public health and food safety. The use of clay to clean fruits and vegetables is still a relatively new technique, but it's already showing promise. Scientists are continuing to study and refine this method, and it may become a common practice in the future. Who knew that something as simple as clay could make such a big difference in our lives?